Wish you could uncover 1,000 qualified law firm leads a day without paying for Sales Navigator or wasting hours on copy and paste busy work, right? Most outreach still relies on clunky browser scraping, messy spreadsheets, and generic emails that end up in spam. That's why I've built a brand new end-to-end template now featured in the official gallery that automate the entire pipeline. Here's the flow. Okay, drop any LinkedIn profile into Google Sheet. Let NNN trigger PhantomBuster behind the scenes and watch GPT-4o enrich every contact with niche specific pain points. The template then drafts a hyper personalized message for each prospect, ready for your quick review. So no browser extensions, no bans, and it scales while you sleep. So this workflow is already battle tested by several AI firms that sell into the legal vertical, and it's stamped with an official gallery badge, so you know it works. Plus, it is 100% no code, just clone, plug, and flea. Okay, so grab the free template from the link below, clone it in 2 clicks, and tell me in the comment which niche you want automated next: real estate, SaaS, or healthcare. All right, so whether you're launching your first AWS AI model or automating your complex workflows using NNN Zapier, expect step-by-step playbooks, real-world demos, and pro cheats, right? So hit subscribe, level up your outreach, and I'll see you in the next video.